Mathematics of financing in the maritime industry involves applying financial principles such as interest calculation, depreciation, loan authorization, and cost-benefit analysis to manage the economic aspects performance, make informed decision on vessel purchase and maintenance, investment, fuel cost and management, and long-term financing.
The maritime sector can optimize fuel consumption, improve cargo handling, and reduce port dwell time and enhance overall operational efficiency. Management also contribute to better decision making, risk assessment, and to development of more efficient and safer maritime system.
Logic helps mariners clear, safe, and quick decision. It uses true or false statement, guides action through condition, and support emergency responses, symbolic, reasoning, and diagrams. It also helps organize crew, roles, and safety plans.
Report about problem solving and reasoning. So problem solving is crucial in maritime because it is essential for safety, efficiency, and operational success in dynamic and often unpredictable environment. Marine engineering, for example, regularly face complex technical challenges to the related vessel.
Mathematics of financing in the maritime financing in the
Data management, kaya